Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to create an ink portrait in Photoshop. Let's get started. First of all, we need our model. Then select quick selection tool or magic wand tool. I select magic wand tool. Select our model layer. Let's select its area which you want to remove. Okay. Now press Ctrl Shift I to invert the selection and also click on the mask layer. Now our background was removed. Now right click on the mask layer and select and mask in older version of Photoshop. It's refine mask. Now make it smooth a bit little, like 21. Okay. Now apply our layer mask. Okay. Now go to File, New, and set and make new page. I use with 920, height 1080 and resolution 30 pixels per inch. Select color mode to RGB color and select create. Okay. Now go to our model, pick our model and drag and drop into our new layer. Now press Ctrl 0 to full screen. Press Ctrl, select our model layer. Press Ctrl T to make its transform tool. Press Ctrl 0. Now press Shift. Now hold Shift and drag its size to make it smaller. Now adjust our model. Okay, here it is. Right. Press Enter. Press Ctrl 0. Now go to our ink image. It's all provided in the descriptions. Now select our ink layer. Go to select color range. Now select this tool and select our white background. Now its fuzziness is I think 125 is good. Press OK. Now press Ctrl Shift I to invert the selection. Now select Move tool and select our ink and go to new layer and drop it. Press Ctrl T. Now Ctrl 0 to zoom out and press Shift and drag it down to adjust the size. Now right click on the ink layer, flip horizontal. Now rotate it to adjust on the image. Press Enter. Now press Ctrl 0. Now select our model layer and make it a bit smaller and here. Okay. Now pick our ink layer and drop it under the model layer. Rename our model layer to model and ink layer to ink. Now select our model layer. Now select our ink layer, create its mask layer. Now select our model layer and select magic wand tool. Select out of the model. Now click on the mask layer of the ink. Now select brush tool or press B to select brush tool and make our foreground color to black. Now move the here. Okay. Now it's look like this. Okay, now select our model layer, create a mask layer, invert this mask layer color, select mask layer, press Ctrl I to invert it. Now select brush tool or press B to select brush tool. Now select our soft brush and make its size to 200 to 80. Okay. Now select our foreground color to white, press X to invert the foreground color selection. Okay. Now just paint it on the edges. Invert the white color and paint where you want. Now invert the color to black foreground color. Okay. Now we should remove our neck. Blend it nicely. Select in here and blend our hair. Okay. Now select our model layer, right click and duplicate layer. Okay. Now right click on the duplicate layer and convert it to smart object. Now go to filter, noise, reduce noise. Now its strength 9, it's reduced. Color noise to 90 and sharpness detail to about 70. Press OK. Okay. Now create a new layer. Select our foreground to light pink. Select brush tool by pressing B. Make its size bigger by pressing close bracket and drop it here and select it to color dot. Make less its opacity to 30. Now again make new layer. Here is foreground color to white gray. Make the layer color Now select it to soft light. Now select dot tool and paint it over the edges to make it lighter. It's give us the light effects, shades. And down its opacity to 50. Okay. Now press Ctrl Alt Shift E to make it all in the one layer. All layers in the one layer. Now go to filters, noise, reduce noise. Select it to add '90s. Alright, it's about to 40 is okay. Press OK. Now this is our final results. Select crop tool, make it lighter here and crop it. Thank you for watching my video. For more tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and like this tutorial, share this tutorial and watch other tutorials. Please again subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.